Hi, everybody. Today's topic is photo and video memory apps. These apps that you can use to store your photos, create albums, and like store your photos online digitally. So what are photo video memory apps? So photo video memory apps are used to store and compile your photos and videos to create memories. They all have different formats to create a unique experience. Some use photos, some videos, some both, and they can be like a virtual photo album, like a collage, a slideshow, or a video. And there are websites and apps that help you organize your memories, and some options organize your memories for you, and some allow you to organize them how you like. So why are photo video apps useful? So photo video apps are useful to store your photos, to revisit them easily in the future. I think this is much better because like physical copies, you can lose them and then like you can't find them and then the memories are lost. But here you can store them online. They're there forever and you can always access them. So they can make it much easier to find your favorite photo and photo video memories. They can be fun to make while you revisit memories. They're accessible for years, so you never lose your photos. And photos and videos can get lost in your main photo storage, so they help you organize your favorite photos. So the first app example that we have is 1 Second Everyday app. And the 1 second a day app is a video diary where you put 1 second video or a picture into the app every day, and it'll make a video for you of all the memories after a period of time. So the album is 1 year long. So at the end of the year, you'll end up with a video with a clip from every day of the year. And the goal is to put in a picture or video clip every day, but it's fine if you miss a day. And you can add a caption to your photos and it'll automatically add a date. However, captions always aren't always the best idea because you only get to see the picture for 1 second while watching the video. So I think this is a pretty cool idea, like one photo video a day. It's like a collage of the year. So the 1 Second Everyday app can be downloaded on iOS and Android. To use it, you need to go to the App Store or Google Play Store to download it. And once the app is downloaded, you can open it and start a project. And the app will show you a calendar with each day. And to add to the project, you click on a day and can add pictures and videos from your phone's camera, or you can film directly into an app. So if you missed adding a clip on the actual day, you can add any picture or video that you took on that day to the video by clicking on that day. So it's very organized, it's very straightforward. You can edit all of your days. I think it's a really cool idea. Okay, so another app that we have is Animoto. And Animoto is a website that's designed for making slideshows of your video and photo memories. You can add music to your video with their library of songs and text with a variety of fonts. And it's free to use and it's available on iOS and desktop computers. So Animoto. Animoto is free to use, but there are two professional versions that cost extra. There's the professional version, which costs $16 a month, and it unlocks more music options, higher video quality, more fonts, and no Animoto watermark. So there's a team version for $39 a month, which unlocks all of the features of the professional version, which gives you a 30-minute consultation with a video expert, allows you to have 3 users on your account, and the license to resell business. Collect. So another app that we have is Collect, and Collect is very similar to 1 Second Every Day. And one of the unique features is a password, so it's protected and only you can access your album. And the big difference between Collect and 1 Second Every Day is that Collect focuses more on monthly albums instead of yearly albums. And Collect costs $3.99. So it isn't as accessible as other options, but however, it is still good. It is still a good option and offers more features than the free version of 1 Second Every Day. So these are between your needs and which one you want to decide. So my album is a website that lets you create a more traditional photo album. You can add pictures, videos, and descriptions, and they can lay out and design the album for you for easy creations. You can make your album virtually, and then it can get printed if you want. My album is free to use. However, there's a paid version which offers extra features. But unlike many other options, my app is a website instead of an app. So this can make it a little more difficult to use on your computer because you may need to transfer your photos to your computer if you want to upload them. So another um, app that we have is connected to Facebook, and this one is called On This Day for any of you Facebook users. And it sends you memories about what you were doing on that day in previous years. And it can show you your photos, posts you've been tagged in, photo status updates, and etc. And On This Day is completely private, so only you can see the memories. It shows you unless you share them, and it is accessed directly from Facebook and can be found by searching or clicking on the On This Day tab. So this is for any Facebook users out there who also want a cool photo video app or feature. So Throwback. Throwback is an app that is available on the App Store and the Google Play Store. Throwback allows you to select a photo to send it to yourself in the future. You can select a date between 1 month away and 5 years away, and the picture will be sent to you on that day. You can tag people in pictures and add a message to it if you want. And Throwback is a great personalized experience because you get to choose when you want to experience your memories, unlike some of the other options. So this is a pretty cool app. It's kind of like a time capsule video sending app. You get to see what you sent to yourself in the past. Memories in Apple Photos. So the Apple Photos app is a very easy way to revisit your memories. In the Photos app, there's a For You tab, which lets you access your memories. And the app automatically makes memory videos for you based on time, location, and themes. But you can also edit your own memory videos. You can share your memories with other people through email, text, or social media by pressing the share button. And memories is very easy to access and doesn't require you to do much to get great videos, which is why it's a great option. So this is on the Apple Photos on any of seniors that have an iPhone and want to access this. So another app that we have is Recently, and Recently is an app and a website that creates a magazine with all of your memories for you. You can set up monthly magazines or quarterly magazines, and you can add up to 150 photos per magazine, but you need a minimum of 25 photos. Recently costs $12.99 per month for monthly magazines, or $14.99 per quarter for quarterly magazines. And it's a great option if you want your digital memories to be printed. So now we're going to do a live demo. The live demo I'm going to do with is My Album, which is the website that I mentioned. This is actually really straightforward. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click new album. So I can name it something like Vacation in Japan. It's really straightforward to use. And this one it's a bit more complicated. It has more features. And this one is just classic. It just lays out an album for you. But I'm going to show you guys some of the features. So we're going to try enriched. And here I have an album. So we can like choose these images, for example. And what it does is, sorry, let me just, yeah, what it does, it loads like a website template for the images that you chose. And it's really simple. If you want to show your album to a friend or relative, you just copy the link here and then you can send it to them and then they can view all your photos in just like a website template. And if you want to edit it to change the looks, they have a lot of templates here, like layouts and also background colors that you can choose. to edit your album. And it's really simple. To create an account, it's like I did it in almost a minute, and it's just really straightforward to create an album with the pictures that you want and then send it to whoever wants to see it. So yeah, that's photo and memory apps.